back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be doing this festive green holiday makeup look. This is the second one for this week and I really love how it came out. It looks very festive and Christmassy. So if you want to see how I got this look and the products that I use, please keep on watching. For this look I'm gonna be using the Profusion Emeralds palette. This one, got this at Walmart and I believe it was 5 something, so it's a really good deal and it's a really beautiful palette, very different. I really like the greens and I wanted to go with the green look since it's the holidays. So I'm gonna start with the shade Fern, which is this green right here. Apply that on the crease and then I'll blend it out little by little. I need to prime my eye first because if I don't, what's the point? I'm gonna start just putting it in my actual crease. And again, as always, I did not set my eyelids because that way you get better color payoff. And now that I have that on the crease, I'm gonna start blending it with the same brush in circular motions. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna start blending it up and in circular motions. I don't like this color when you apply it. It looks like a light green, and then when you start blending it, it turns like into a dark green. I don't know, it's weird. Next I'm gonna be applying the shade Middle, which is this emerald shade. And I'm gonna apply that to the outer V and inner V of the eye. I'm gonna place it in first and then I'll blend it. This was not the look I was going for, but that's what I came up with. So now that I put it in, I'm gonna start blending it into the crease. Profusion eyeshadows are really good for their price. Like if you're looking for good affordable eyeshadows, get Profusion. They're super cheap. Okay, so now I'm gonna blend it with a different brush. So now that that's blended, I'm gonna go ahead and use the shade Galaxy and Radioactive. So I'm gonna use this in this shade and I'm gonna take it with my finger and I'm gonna apply it in the center of my eye up. I'm gonna apply it in the center to the top. I really like the full glittery effect, but I'm gonna apply most of it in the inner part of my eye. I really like how it looks, especially now for the holidays. I love the glittery effect. Now I'm gonna apply the other one on top, which has more golden tones. Next I'm gonna be using this NYX Epic Wear waterproof eyeliner in the shade White. And I'm gonna do a wing with this. Okay, now I'm gonna be applying the shade Monumental, which is this one, on top of the white liner. Applying my telescopic mascara to my upper lashes. Now I'm gonna move on to the face. For primer, I'm gonna be using my Cover FX blurring primer. And then for foundation today, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade Rich Tan. This one. Apply a little bit more here. And then for concealer, I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Sand. Now I'm going to be applying my Milk Makeup bronzer stick in the shade Blaze. And for setting powder, I'm using the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Okay, so now I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills powder bronzer in the shade Rich Amber, which is this one, to bronze my face. And for blush, I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetics Chocolate Cherry Truffle palette, and I'm going to be using this bottom shade right here. For highlight, I'm using the LA Colors Strobing Illuminating Powder, and this thing was intense. I actually love it, and it's my favorite highlight at the moment. For lip liner, I'm using the Milani Understatement Lip Liner in the shade Saucy Toffee. And for lipstick, I'm using this Kylie Jenner lipstick in the shade Dulce de Leche. Okay guys, so that's it for this look right here. It's a very festive look for the holidays, and this will be the second video for this week. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel before you leave, and also turn on your post notifications so you're notified every single time that I post a new video, and so you don't miss out on this week's videos. So yeah, I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.